In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom table in Power BI using the built-in Create Table and Table visual features. So, let's dive right in and explore the different ways you can craft a table in Power BI, depending on what you mean by custom. First, let's talk about what a custom table can be. In Power BI, a custom table might mean a table visual that showcases specific columns or fields from your existing data, a manually entered or user-typed table with static data, or even a calculated table that you build using DAX, which allows you to derive new columns, filter rows, combine tables, and more. Each of these options serves a unique purpose, so choose the one that best suits your project needs. Now, let's get started with creating a basic table visual using your data. The goal here is to create a table view of the data you already have. Begin by opening Power BI Desktop and either import your data or connect to a data source, whether it's an Excel file, a CSV, a database, or another option available to you. Once you have your data loaded in Power BI, switch over to the Report view. Click on an empty area of the canvas to set the stage. Look over to the right side of your screen to the Visualizations pane and select the table icon, which represents a table visual. What we're doing here is setting up a framework to display the fields we want from our data. From the Fields pane, simply drag and drop the columns you wish to include into the Values section of your table visual. Feel free to order them according to your specific needs or preferences. Once you have your columns in place, head over to the Format pane. This is where you can get creative with style adjustments, everything from column widths, header text, grid lines, all the way to background colors. You can truly customize how your data is presented, ensuring that it not only looks great, but is also readable and informative. Next, let's explore creating a static or manually entered table. This option is perfect for instances when you need a small reference table, perhaps for mapping or as an ad hoc lookup, and it's not sourced directly from your data connection. Jump into the ribbon at the top of your screen and click on Home, then choose Enter Data. A dialog box will appear, allowing you to input your data manually. You can type in whatever you'd like, rename columns, add rows, and so forth. You also have the option to paste data directly from Excel if that's more convenient for you. Once you're satisfied with your data, give the table a meaningful name and click Load. This static table is now part of your model, and like any other table, you can include its fields into your visuals. By following these steps, you now have a custom table tailored to your needs within Power BI. Enjoy your custom visuals and turn that data into impactful insights.